Assalamualaikum and welcome to everyone. So today we are going to continue learning the subtopic in the molecules of life, which is protein. Okay, before we proceed, we have to know what is the learning outcome for the topic in the protein. Okay, the first learning outcome is we are going to describe the basic structure of amino acid. Describe. The second one is to state how amino acids are. Actually, protein is contained the element of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Also, many proteins contain sulfur and phosphorus. Proteins also build up from more than one amino acid. If proteins, that means it's a polymer, and the polymer is a long chain. The long chain is built up from the building block, which is we call as monomer. So the monomer for protein is amino acid. What is monomer? Okay, monomer is a molecule that can be bonded to other identical molecules to form a polymer. Means that it is a repetitive unit or repetitive molecule which is same identical, same structure, same identical to each other, and it is bonded by a specific bond. It is linked by a specific bond. Okay, this is then illustration to make you more understand what is monomer. So monomer is only a molecule, one molecule. Okay, for protein, the monomer for protein is amino acid. Dimer. Dimer is two molecules which is identical to each other and it is joined or linked by a specific bond. For example, in protein, dimer is this one amino acid is linked to another amino acid by a specific bond. So for protein, bond that involved is a peptide bond. And polymer. What is a polymer? Polymer is a long chain that linked by a bond, and it consists of same repetitive unit, many molecules of amino acids, as you can see in the figure here. Okay, now we go to the first learning outcome, which we are going to describe the basic structure of amino acid. So amino acid consists of 4 components attached to a central carbon. Okay, this is the central carbon and attached to the 4 components. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, what are the 4 components? Okay, first component is amino group, which is symbolized by NH2. Okay, the second component is carboxyl group. Carboxyl group, and the third component is the R group, which known as a variable R group or side chain. Okay, and the last component is H, which is hydrogen atom. The properties of amino acid. Amino acid have 2 functional groups, which is carboxyl group, acidic properties, and basic group. NH2 amino acid is a basic group. So amino acids are said to be amphoteric. Amphoteric means that it has both acidic and basic properties. So we go to the second learning outcome, which is how amino acids are grouped. Basically, amino acids are grouped into 4 groups, which are first non-polar amino acids, polar amino acids, basic amino acids, and acidic amino acids. Okay, first is non-polar amino acid. So by referring to the side chain, Okay, remember amino acid as central carbon which is attached to amino group, carboxyl group, hydrogen atom, and this is the R, which is the side chain. Okay, for non-polar amino acid, the side chain has hydrocarbon side chain. Okay, and it is a hydrophobic, which is insoluble in water and non-reactive. And one is polar amino acid, which is hydrophilic, and also it increases the solubility of the protein. The third one is basic amino acid, which is generally positive in charge, and the R group contains additional amino group. This amino group, and it is positively charged. And the last amino acid is acidic amino acid, which is the R side chain have negative in charge. Okay, which is R group contain additional carboxyl group here, negative charge. Okay class, this is the example for basic and acidic amino acid. And that's all for now. Thank you.